So this is Christmas 2012. I'm walking from inside the kitchen. This is the divider into the living room. This is over the TV. This is looking outside. I'm opening the door. I'm going outside to the front. Of course, around my window, around my door. You've got the arch around the gate, the bush. You've got the column. Around the fence. Around the fence. Oh, that's my neighbor's house across the street. You got another arch around the fence. Around the gate. And you got the fence, the fence, and you got my singing carolers, little snowman carolers, and they're singing. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Kisses ass and a kiss my ass too. Okay, here we go. And then we got the saints. Around the saints, we got little candy canes. Then we got column, my door, the columns, the front window. I can't forget it. Let me show you. Let me open up the gate. I just went through the arch, and I got my big what do you call those things? Oh yeah. What do you call those things? Big bulbs, big Christmas bulbs. Let's go through there again because they're huge Christmas. Okay, now let me show you my icicles. You can't see them now, but and my Santa, you can't even see Santa. You can't even see my Santa. But these are my icicles. Let me show you